Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we're going to talk about the Boolean widget, what is a Boolean and how you can use it on your dashboard. So let's go! So first of all, let's explain what a Boolean is. A Boolean is a value on the database that can be either true or false. So we have, for example, this sensitive strips oil leakage sensor, and in the fields you are going to see that we have two Boolean values, one for flood alarm and one for oil alarm, and Booleans are showing as true or false. So that's what we're going to use now to explain to you how to create and use our Boolean widget. So I'm gonna click on Add Widget and Boolean. And as you can see, we have again the tabs, we have basics. So in here we can create the title of the widget. In this case, we want to create a flood alarm. And in here we have an icon selection. This is purely to make your widget beautiful. So in here you can type something. I am going to add this drop of water, to make clear that this is the flood alarm. And then on data, it's the place where we are selecting the fields that are going to be shown in this widget. So we are going to select the sensitive strip oil leakage sensor that I mentioned before. And this is very important. In the Boolean widget, only the Boolean fields are going to be shown, not like in the value widget. You have different kinds of values. So you can put an integer in there, you can put a string in there. In this case, this Boolean widget is only for Boolean values. So you are going to see that in here we only have the flood alarm and the oil alarm because they are both Boolean. And we select it now. And we go to appearance, and in appearance we have different things. We have a display on text. On is usually true, and in this case on true is flood, which is meaning, and in this case off is no flood, or all good, for example. And all good is usually not red, it's usually green. So we actually have a little part where you can change what the display on color is and what the display off color is. In this case, off is green and on is red, because on means flood and off means all good. It might be that your device has the other way around, so you can always change the display on color and the display off color. And before that, you can select if you want the whole widget to be colored. Again, hide the background is only for when you don't select the one before, if you want the card to be in there or not, and the last update. And tint color again is the color of the card, and highlight color is the color of the title. So you can personalize it again. And we are going to leave the widget color based on state. I like it. I like that it's all green. And when the value changed to true, then it will get colored in red. So we're going to add a second widget. I'm just going to repeat the whole process to show you how the other value looks like. We have this oil alarm value, and in here I already checked, and you can add like this little thing. And under appearance, on we're going to say oil, and here all good. And again, widget color based on state. And now we have display on color being green, but we want to color it red because that means bad news. And the other way around, off color green, and save. So now we have our two flood alarm and oil alarm using the Boolean widget. And that's basically it. That's what a Boolean is. That's how you use the Boolean widget. I hope this video was informative and useful. And I hope that you leave a comment underneath if you want to see something else, if you want to learn something specific. We're happy to see your comments, and stay tuned.